Hi guys, so we're on to the first rinse. We've got 34 minutes left. It's just dropped down from 35. And as you can see, the suds all went down from earlier on, even though the Almat sudsed up quite a lot. I've got another visitor again. What? She's very attention seeking. Yeah, so all the suds cleared from earlier on. Didn't have to do anything, I just kind of left it, which I do quite a lot. As I said, it's pretty boring, is this machine. I don't ever really pay much attention to it. Probably should do. Not much action going on in there. My feline here is not happy that I'm paying attention to the washing machine and not her. Get your head out of the mop bucket. Go on. You can see the water level just there, it's just coming up to the door. And again, that's a fairly nice clear rinse to say that we got quite a lot of suds earlier on. It does vary the rinse levels quite dramatically on this. If you put a full load of towels in, you'll get a rinse level halfway up the door. But because this is just a set of cotton bedding, it's not particularly heavy. It's my spare bedding, so it's not exactly great quality either. I tend to use Water Plus quite a lot on it as well. The great thing about the Miele is that you can program what Water Plus does, so you can change the setting as to whether or not you want higher rinse levels, higher wash levels, an extra rinse. I've got it set up so that it just does an extra rinse if I press Water Plus, because it only does 2 rinses as standard, whereas if you add the extra rinse in, it does 3, which in my mind is normal. It has got a lot of built-in sensors though, so it will do an extra rinse if it detects that it needs to, but still, I just prefer 3 rinses because I'm funny like that. And that's pretty much it. All 3 rinses are very similar. The only difference with the final rinse, the conditioner rinse, is that it doesn't fill down the door like this one did. It fills in from the top of the drum as it normally would, and it tumbles as it fills. Obviously to make sure that the fabric softener is sort of evenly distributed throughout the clothes. And that's about it really. So I'm not going to film both rinses because again I'm leaning against the cellar door and it's cold. So I will try and get a video of the final spin up. So watch this space.